Well, Merry Christmas to everyone out there. I hope everybody had a great Christmas day. Hope everybody has a great Christmas Eve. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather. Got the only weather you got, and this is Mike Bass reporting on YouTube here tonight. Alrighty, I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas, and we're going to start taking a look at the storm system here moving across the country. Alrighty, you can see we're going to start off here in the northern U.S. around the Great Lakes region. You can see up here across South Canada, stretching toward portion of Michigan, Wisconsin to Minnesota, stretching all the way down towards areas of Colorado, also in Arizona and western Texas area. Got some activity there as well. Got a upper level low kind of just spinning over here in portion of Washington State, bringing lots of precipitation toward Washington, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, also over toward areas of Utah, Nevada, California, and Oregon states. That will continue to advance more moisture into the area. You can see another plume of moisture going to move into this ravaged area in the southwestern, where there's a lot of mudslides and a lot of heavy rainfall in the southwestern areas of California and Southern California as well. A lot of activity there. You can still see the high pressure ridge pretty much dominate from Texas to the Carolinas to Florida, portions of the mid-Atlantic. You're included in that as well. We got a little weak cold front may drop down into the Carolinas. Could bring a few sprinkles tomorrow, but otherwise fake dry conditions and just slightly cooler conditions for your Friday. Alrighty, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. And we're going to start off with your local forecast here, and we're going to take a look at your Friday outlook here in just a few minutes. It should roll out something like this. Alrighty, you can see we got snow flying from New Hampshire to Rhode Island to Connecticut to New York State, Lake Huron, Lake Superior. Got freezing rain and mixed precipitation across South Canada, stretching into Minnesota, Wisconsin, to Michigan, to Pennsylvania, D.C., Delaware, New Jersey, stretching into West Virginia. Got more mixed precipitation over here in Iowa, stretching into portions of North Dakota, Minnesota, Montana, stretching to South Dakota, Nebraska, Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, California, Nevada, Utah, Washington, Oregon State, Northern California areas as well. Got some heavy snow up here in portions of New York State. Also over toward New York City. More heavy snow over here in portions of Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, California mountain chain as well, and Northern California regions as well. Some flash flooding and heavy rain over southern areas of California. Thunderstorms and showers stretching from western Washington State, Oregon, and down into central and southern California, with shower activity expected south of that area in coastal waters. Also more thunderstorms and showers from Oklahoma to Kansas to Missouri to Illinois to Indiana. Also portion of Ohio. Got some shower activity there as well, stretching down to western North Carolina to Virginia and eastern North Carolina around the Outer Banks. Otherwise, fake dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday. Alright, let's move on to your Saturday forecast, and it should roll out something like this here. Alright, we're still waiting, but it should roll out something like this here anyway. Okay, as you can see, we got some mixed precipitation up here around New York City, New York State. Some heavy snow also up here around Connecticut, northern Long Island region. More mixed precipitation from Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and toward New Jersey and Delaware, and the Atlantic coastal waters. More mixed precipitation straight from Washington, Oregon, California, Nevada to Arizona to Mexico, Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, through northern North Dakota, portions of South Dakota, Nebraska, stretching over toward Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, areas as well, around Lake Huron, Lake Superior. You've got some freezing rain across Michigan, Wisconsin, northern Minnesota, South Canada as well. Got some shower activity along coastal areas of California, a little bit in the Baja region of California, and also a portion of northern Mexico. More thunderstorms and showers from Oklahoma to Kansas to Missouri to Illinois to Indiana, portion of Ohio, portion of Kentucky, and western Pennsylvania as well, and southwestern Michigan. Otherwise, make dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast there for your Saturday. Alright, let's move on to the Current Watch and Warning Advisory map for your locations across the nation. And it should roll out something like this here. Alright, we got special weather statements up here in portion of Maine, more special weather statements in portion of Indiana, Illinois, and also portions of Iowa. We got ice storm warnings up here in Pennsylvania with winter weather advisories there as well, stretching to the northern portions of Washington D.C. Also stretching into New York State. Winter storm warnings up here around New York State over toward New York City, portion of Connecticut, and northeastern areas of Pennsylvania. Dense fog advisories down here in the areas of Mississippi, portion of Panhandle, Florida, southern Mississippi, also along the Gulf Coast, and also southern Louisiana, southeast Texas. More dense fog advisories in the area of Missouri, Iowa, portions of Montana, north and South Dakota, also portion of Minnesota, and can't forget about you guys in Nebraska. Also, we have some winter weather advisory from Michigan to Wisconsin to Minnesota to North Dakota. More in portion of Montana, Idaho, portion of Wyoming, Utah, portion of Nevada, Oregon, Washington State. Winter storm warning in Topeka, Northern California. Flood advisories in Central California. Flood watches and flash flood warnings to the southwest. Air quality alerts over areas of Arizona. Wind advisories in areas of Utah, Nevada, portion of Arizona, California region as well. Alright, smoke crack advisory gale warning from Maine to the Outer Banks, North Carolina. Then again from Southern California, Washington State, got some purple areas, that's storm warnings. Southern Hawaii and Chain Islands, some small crack advisories. North Island look good. Some around the Alaska region, freezer spray warnings in the blue. Then inland areas, we have some blizzard warning, winter weather advisory, and special weather statements. Also, we got some special marine warning along the coastal areas of Alaska. Also, Hawaii and Chain Islands, excuse me. Alright. Storm Prediction Center outlook, just some general thunderstorms expected for day 2, and it should roll out like this here. Voila. Alright, general thunderstorm from up here to Detroit, Michigan, to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Cleveland, Ohio, to Baltimore, Maryland, Philadelphia, and Scranton, Pennsylvania. Then again from areas of Jackson, Mississippi to Elko, Nevada, Santa Barbara, Los Angeles, San Francisco, up to Reddings, California. Alright. We're going to take a look at snowfall totals over the next 16 days, stretching out through January 10th. The heavy snow over southeast Canada, portion of New Brunswick, Maine, down toward Pennsylvania, West Virginia, over here in the areas of Michigan, Wisconsin, then over here from portion of North Texas, stretching through Colorado, back over to Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, California, Nevada, Montana, Wyoming, you're included, a little bit of portion of Nebraska as well. Right now, just lighter amounts in the blue, maybe about a ½ inch to an inch of snow in some areas. Anybody from Texas to the Carolinas to Florida, 0 snowfall over the next 10 days. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next ones. Have a wonderful Christmas Eve, evening that is. We'll catch you back in the next ones. Have a wonderful Thursday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you